Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome again to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. On this channel, I do various travel vlogs to different islands and different countries to experience different culture, and also review all the smartest and latest tech gadgets out there in the world of tech world. So for today's video, I'm reviewing an amazing product. It is a product that guarantee after watching this video you're gonna want to buy it for someone. It's a great gift product, as well as very functional product. And this product here is from a company called Ember. This is Ember new travel temperature control mug. What is wonderful about this product here, it's not just your standard old-fashioned travel mug. This mug has some smartness to it, especially if you want to optimize your lifestyle and you want to get your coffee always warm or your tea always warm at a specific temperature. This is the product for you. So Ember makes great smart travel mugs and cups and all the fancy Ember products, but this product really speaks to me because you can actually, it has a cover, you can take it to different places, you can control it on your phone. This product here will give you up to 12 ounces of liquid, so you can pour 12 ounces of liquid inside the cup. Has a really awesome temperature display LCD screen. Comes in matte black as well as white finish. I love the black finish, which is awesome. And even if you are very sensitive to heat, you can adjust that temperature to that specific, I kid you not, the specific temperature that you like, where you can drink that coffee or that tea or the hot substance right away. So this product also have a 3-hour battery life. So definitely want to keep this on a charging base if you plan to use it the entire day. 3-hour battery life, that'll get you through your morning commute. But afterwards, you might want to plug this in to charge it so you can get back the benefit of the always temperature controlled charging. It is also safe for hand wash and machine wash, which is pretty cool. And I love the fact that you can control this directly from the app. So let's get into it. Let's unbox it. Let's take a closer look at this product. Right, let's take a closer look at Ember. Ember makes really good quality. You can feel right off the bat, this is really nice heavy duty quality travel mug. And it's just elegant right through. You have the cover here, which is a glossy black finish. Once you open it, you actually have a light cover but a heavy base. That's the inside. Very simple, straightforward coffee travel mug. But this is where the magic happens. At the bottom, you see these coils. These are the coils that charges up the flask to produce that temperature on the inside the mug. And the charging base is pretty simple. Very lightweight, so easy actually to travel with. Just a simple charging flat base. It has the DC input there for the charging. The charging brick is actually bigger than the charging base, and this is the brick here to charge. It has that input in to the actual base. Plug this in like this, and you set it on your desk. Take your travel mug, you put it on the charging base, cover it, and then you set the temperature in the app. So let's go ahead, download the app and try it out in the app.